Santa Monica $20 challenge. For today, we'll be going to Santa Monica Farmers Market with $20 to see what we could get and what we could make. We got chicken, got some bread, we got some crackhead. The bread was $10, but since we're only using 2 of them, we decided to count it as $5. And for the chicken, it was $7. So then we also decided to get a head of lettuce, which was $2. We decided to go with a milk brine and leave it overnight. For this, we put some wing sauce, two cups of milk, teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of cayenne. Now it was time to take out the bone from my chicken. I didn't have too much experience doing this. This was my first time deboning a chicken, so I think I left a little bit too much of meat on the bones. I also decided to cut the chicken breast in half to make 2 chicken sandwiches. After I cut the chicken, I put it in the brine, covered it with plastic wrap, and left it in the fridge overnight. The next morning, I took my chicken out the fridge to let it sit out while I get my potatoes going. For my potatoes, all I did was add salt to my water, and in a little bag, I put black pepper and oregano. While my potatoes were coming up to a boil, I added some ice in a bowl to wash my lettuce. I let my water come to a rapid boil, which then I turn off the flame and let them sit for about 10 minutes until they're soft. We don't have a salad spinner, so I just grabbed another bowl with some towels and I put my lettuce in there and kept it in the fridge. For the flour, we went with 2 cups of AP flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne. We fried them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes on each side. We also noticed that the temperature of the oil was getting too high and too low. Our chicken was starting to burn, so I decided to take it out. Unfortunately, when I cut up the chicken, I noticed that it was still pink and raw inside. So instead of throwing it back into the oil, I decided to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 5 minutes. Once my chicken was good and I got rid of the salmonella, I started to fry my potatoes and shishito peppers in new oil on a different pot. I lightly toasted my buns, which then I put on a mixture of mayonnaise and the wing sauce that I used earlier, followed by the chicken, lettuce, potatoes, and shishito peppers. Let us know what you guys think of this video. We had a lot of fun filming it and making it. If you have any tips or suggestions, please let us know, as we're also trying to learn how to cook. Also, leave a like if you like this idea about us going to the farmer's market and trying to find something to cook with a limited amount of money.